Long time no see, everyone. Hi, my name is Megan Stackhouse, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office here in Grand Junction, Colorado. And today we are going to be talking about the Meteorological Winter climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. Now, Meteorological Winter runs from December 1st through February 28th. So as you guys know, it was a great winter. We had a lot of storms through the area, which brought a lot of snow, a lot of much needed moisture to the region. This is a picture from one such storm that occurred on February 22nd from Pagosa Springs. So this was not an unfamiliar sight for many people by the end of this winter. Let's jump right in. So looking at December 2018 first, so we did have a lot of weather that month. We had a couple good storms through the area that brought some snow, so some hazardous travel across Vail Pass, which during the holidays, you guys know it's already a disaster, so add some great snow onto it, that's going to cause some more issues. So we had some travel concerns during the holidays especially. And here's a great picture of a sunset that we had at our office on December 21st. January 2019, the New Year kicked off with a bang. We had a lot of storms moving through the area that month. This is a picture of, this one first. We have our radar, which is located on top of the Grand Mesa. And this fence right here, you can barely see it. It is about 6 feet tall, and it was completely covered as of January 23rd. That's a picture from our webcam up there. This is another storm that occurred on January 21st, along Highway 550 north of Hermosa. So really snow-packed roads. And as a result of all this moisture, we had a lot of fog that moved into the region when the snow started to melt off, or whenever we just had that moisture lingering around. So these are a couple pictures from one such instance. February 2019. So as you guys know, again, the winter just continued. It would not stop. We had some heavy snow on Valentine's Day across much of the region. And this is another really big storm that we had February 20th through 23rd, where over 3 feet of snow fell in the San Juan Mountains and over a foot in some of the Southwest valleys. And we also had the time to go to one of our fun outreach events at the Mesa County Safety Fair. So looking at high temperatures for meteorological winter for across eastern Utah and western Colorado, the warmest temperature across the area was 54 degrees, which occurred at the Grand Junction Airport on February 28th. Overall, though, most of these areas, their highest high was in the mid 40s to the mid 50s. Looking at the coldest temperatures that occurred across the region throughout the month, the coldest temperature was negative 28 degrees, which occurred at Craig, their airport, on January 2nd. Candylands, you guys were the warmest, lowest low temperature. You guys hit -2 on December 4th. Overall, though, everyone got into the negatives, and it was pretty cold. Looking at precipitation across the region for meteorological winter, Durango was the winner with 4.57 inches of precipitation for the season, which was over an inch above normal. Overall, everyone got over an inch for the season. The several airports were below normal, but overall, though, again, we had almost 2 inches in Montrose. Looking at Grand Junction, 2.38 inches. Cortez also had a great winter with 4.50 inches, which was almost 2 inches above normal. So this was really great to see. So looking at the outlook for meteorological spring, odds are favoring warmer than normal temperatures across eastern Utah, but odds aren't really favoring much of anything. The guidance isn't really showing either warmer or colder, so not much confidence in terms of temperatures for western Colorado. Precipitation, on the other hand, odds are favoring above normal precipitation for both eastern Utah and western Colorado to persist during meteorological spring, which would be the months of March, April, and May. And looking at the seasonal drought outlook, again, for meteorological spring. So it's looking like the drought is expected to be removed across much of northwest Colorado and northeast Utah, and might still be persisting by the end of the season further across the central portions of our area and down south, but it's looking like it should be improving. So that wraps up our meteorological winter climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. As always, if you guys have any pictures, be sure to send them our way, and we'll see you when we hit the summer for the spring summary. Thanks, guys. Bye.